The PCV valve is one of the smallest and least expensive parts under the hood, but ignoring it can completely destroy your engine seals. PCV stands for positive crankcase ventilation. This tiny plastic or metal component is the only thing keeping your engine block from turning into a highly pressurized bomb. Every time your spark plugs ignite the fuel, creating thousands of mini explosions, a small amount of those burning gases sneaks past the piston rings. These gases get pushed down into the bottom half of the engine, known as the crankcase. Mechanics refer to this escaping gas as blow-by. If those blow-by gases stay trapped in the crankcase, they rapidly build up severe internal pressure. That immense pressure has to escape somehow, and it will eventually blow out your main gaskets and seals, causing massive oil leaks all over your driveway and ruining your engine. The PCV valve exists to solve this exact problem by acting as a controlled one-way breathing tube. It takes those harmful pressurized gases safely out of the crankcase and routes them through a rubber hose directly back into the engine intake manifold. Once the blow-by gases are dumped back into the air intake, they get sucked right back into the combustion chamber. The engine simply burns off the harmful vapors a second time alongside your regular mixture of gas and air. The valve uses a small internal spring to adjust to engine vacuum levels automatically. When the engine is idling, the valve restricts the airflow to keep the engine running smooth. When you step on the gas pedal and create more blow-by, the spring opens the valve fully to vent the heavy pressure.